Kaunti ya Nyamira ya tebire unane chikwane kuna chinsemo chiri meje kaunti ya Kisii wenda kwa meje kaunti ya Nyamira ngonya chiri kuira na gochi ya asensemejo kaleng na barabuni ge komiti ya bereke go chorwa yibona ra chikumulekere nganejo ge korago no memsebe godi yeli gomanya mbega gisesa e komiti ne chikumulekera chinsemo chiri chiri ne serikali ya kaunti ya Kisii asabate biruna mbati chikuira ni gwo senchi kuira ni wali muryoka gochi ya se kaunti ya Nyamira na boni ko batebire kaunti ya Kisii ni ge gendrete ko sangireba ngokora chinsemo chiri ngate kaunti ya Nyamira e gonto batebiruna nda Kenya rekera nagati yamagendro magemeje kaunti ya Nyamira kubwata karumene serikali ya kaunti konya korega tichinsemo chiria chikorusie bangenene agosoye meje kaunti ya Kisii egentekere banyare kurwanda chinsemo chibakira ni meje kaunti ya Nyamira kunenchira moyo konya gusangireba ngo na gukina boige kaunti ya Nyamira.
That we counter the aggression that is coming from Kisii County, and who knows, probably they even want to come and claim the whole county, including our government, and which we are not ready to. We are not ready to, because for a very long time they have been suggesting that we amalgamate Nyamira County with the Kisii County, but that's not the approach, and we are not ready. We are not ceding an inch of our territory to any neighbor, any quarter, and as an assembly. And as elected leaders, we are going to stand for our people, and not even an inch can be exercised from the rightful territory of Nyamira County. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you very much. And our brothers from Kisii are very smart. They are targeting revenue collection centers. You know, a cow there on revenue and poultry, or those birds, goats, and every animal that goes there on the 2 days of the week. They take, they are giving us some good own source revenue. So Kisii is targeting that. It was targeting Keroka,